So now let's go into the guided edit mode right here, and you can see that there's this third guided edit mode right here, which says add transition between clips. So this allows you to smooth out jump between clips with simple transitions that add in interest and drama to your movie, as you can see right here. So if I were to go around and click right here, it is asking me to add a media first right here, and it says click on any media source to import out video clip. So let me just go around over here onto files and folders and select out, let's say for example, this walking right here, and click on open, and then you can see that it says drag the clip to video 1 right here onto the first layer, as you can see right here. So it is telling you what a transition is. It's a way of gradually changing from one video clip to the next to join them together into a movie. So you need to go around and click on the transition right here. So now you can see that I have this right here. It says drag and drop the transition in between two clips right here, just like this, and then it'll show up a box. Let me just go around and trim this out right here to make it seem as if it is two clips right here, and delete it out right here. So let me just go around over here and add in transition just like this, so I don't have multiple clips. So let me just go around and bring in, let's say for example, cube spin right here, and what happens is that you can see that this is the first transition right here, just like this, and this is how you can go around and utilize the guided edit mode to add in transition in between clips, just like this, and give it an effect. So hope you guys learned something as always in Adobe Premiere Elements. So hope you guys learned something as always. Please do be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe.